Today's topics techniques of communication. First one is the definition. Definition of communication. Communication is the process of exchanging the information and the process of generating and transmitting meaning between two or more individuals. Means the communication information related all details and meaning. It is the foundation of society and the most primary aspect of the nurse and patient interaction. Means how to talk with patient and how to behavior and how to interaction between a discussion. Means how to patient care and how to particular word to get a primary care. Next, this is the one type of cycle like a how to communication with a patient. Like a patient connection so many people like a nurse, doctor, family, social workers, OT staff, patients, right? Like other all people. Nurse, we all things in seeing details like a patient care and all the names, file names and all, and family person to connect it which person to which person to have all details, right? Next, move to the process of communication. I already told that send to the message to the channel, a channel to the receiver, right? A receiver to how to feedback, given to feedback, and after then the awareness. Awareness is like an interest. How to interest in the topic, right? And how to evaluation, like how many points to get and how many marks to the getting, and after then the conclusion to adapt in how many points to get it. Next point is the purpose of communication in nursing system. First one is to transfer information between patients and all the classic employers, like for understanding care, good communication with the people. And second point is to the interact and adopt policy and in the organization, means follow all the policies and how to organize setup like a hospital or nursing field. Next, purpose of communication. And fifth point, to recruit selected train the develop the personnel in the organization, means how to organization hospital and how to like a setup to encourage the participation in the decision making, like a doctor, nurse, always be decision making. Purpose of communication in nursing system, to delegate and decentralize the authority, to boost the group morale and the workers to do work hard, right? And also to discussion with the group members to all have a information. Purpose of communication in nursing, to be answer patient safety and job satisfaction. If have any problem, that time to first required is the patient safety. And next, to the help the grievance procedure and the discriminatory actions. Like a patient have any problem, that time to give a safe action. Levels of communication. Interpersonal communication means a self-talk, self-interaction. Means sometimes have so many problems occur in the life. That time, what can I do? That the self-talk occur or share feelings with friends. Second point is the interpersonal communication, interaction between two people or the small group. Means a small group to discussion 5 to 4 members and getting the create a new idea. Third one is the group communication. First one is the small group communication, organization communication, and group dynamics. Group dynamics means the The process involves the when people in a group interact with each other or the study or this. Fact and influencing communication. Development level, gender, socio-culture difference, and rules and responsibilities. First one is a development level, means they improve the knowledge. Equality. In the gender means the equality of the genders, like a girls and boys education. Not participate, like education, free education provide only girls. Socio-cultural difference means rules, regulations, religions, clothes style. Okay. And next to the rules and responsibilities, like follow the ORS rule regulation in job or whatever. Factor influencing communication. First one, space and territoriality. This completed with the land area is the sea of the belongs to the country. Like if have a country to country problem, right? Like a development, like a USA is a developed country and India is a not developing properly, or some have some problems that time to helping to country. Physical and mental emotional states means they see the physical is not able to good communication, like see the any person facial expression is physically not good. Mentally means how to talk with other person. Right now the examiner say and he asked the question that time students like not to properly answer to get, and also to the like behavior like a vibration, speaking like a vibration. Okay. And emotion means feeling, understanding. And values means how to respect high authority value to the person, like a nurse or a valuable value high authorities person or nurse, a doctor, to how to speak right there, like to speak sir. Okay. Environment means calm environment, and also to the setup available whenever communication with the people means good setup. Communication techniques. First one is a therapeutic communication techniques. First one is a active listening. Listening is a skill that can be developed by following below mentioned guidelines. Means listening properly after then answer. Depend on question what will be answer. And next, physically show that you are ready to listen, like physically show off, right? I'm ready for an exam, like that. Ignore the client appearance or manner of the delivery, means the client appearance is a good looking, okay, or well set or not. Watch your non-verbal communication, means your eye contact, your sitting style, your sitting style, and also to the how to facial expression, eye to eye contact. Keep your mind on what the patient is saying, means what patient to say that. Therapeutic communication techniques. Visualization the situation from the client's point of view, means what patient to see that. And next, do not interrupt the immediately, means not to take a immediately decision. Okay. Evaluate the logic and creativity what you hear, means any person to have a doubt, please clear that time. And next, do not give your last word, means not to give a short answer and on. Next, move to the therapeutic communication. Therapeutic communication means first one, sharing observation, means what the patient can do every day, right? And sharing sympathy, like a loving, caring, and sharing the ideas. Sharing hope, that means a mood on the state on the mind, means what a thinking level of the patient or someone else. Sharing humor means a mood or state of mind. Sharing feelings means the good feelings share because that time to feeling relax. And using touch means love, care, and support give to the hug, like a mom give a child care, right? And next, using the silent whenever to communication with other people, that time to the calm environment. And the good communication with the people. And therapeutic communication techniques, the 9 ones asking relevant question means any disease condition occur that time to say that a related question, not other question asking. That time is a feeling good. And last second one, providing information means patient related information like a hospital details and the personal details. And perhapsing means the good communication to next step, right? And therapeutic communication techniques, clarifying means clarify the sentences and clarify the all the data and the all details. And 13, focusing means focus the patient condition or the what say that. And last one is a summarizing, and 15 the self discovery. Thank you.